In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Skool. Skool is an all-in-one platform for online communities, courses, and memberships. It combines a community space, course hosting, and a gamified classroom with a leaderboard, so learning and discussion happen in one place. To get started, head to skool.com and choose login or sign up. Create your account with email or Google and verify your email if you're asked. You can only join a community via an invite link from the creator. Click the link, log in, and hit join group. Some groups are free, others require a monthly payment processed by Skool. Next, set up your profile. Click your profile picture in the top right, open your profile, and add a photo, a short bio, and any social links you want to share. This helps members recognize and connect with you. Every Skool group has 3 key tabs. Community is the discussion board where people post, comment, and react. Classroom is where courses live, organized in modules with videos, links, or downloads. Calendar lists live calls, group sessions, and events scheduled by admins. Inside Community, you can create a post, write your message, and add images, links, or a poll. Pick a category so others can find it, and look for likes and comments. As you engage, you earn points. Skool's gamification raises your level automatically, and higher levels might unlock special content or rewards set by the admin. When you're ready to learn, open the Classroom tab and browse the modules. Lessons can include video tutorials, download links, and text resources. Finished lessons get a check mark, so you can track progress. Some groups require progress to unlock advanced modules. Check the Calendar tab to see upcoming Zoom calls, Q&A sessions, or workshops. You can add events to Google Calendar and join through the event link at the scheduled time. If you're a creator, go to skool.com/creators, choose Create a Group, fill in details, and wait for approval. Then customize the group with a name, description, image, and post categories. Upload course modules to the classroom. Choose free or paid membership and invite members. Manage roles and membership in settings under members. Skool works great on mobile. You can also install the progressive web app by opening Skool in your browser and tapping Add to Home Screen.